dandiya stick. Core Japanese snacks. Why he didn't get those for me? This could be it for matcha lovers. No. Triggers me. Shinchan would never share this. Like, sweetheart, naive mother. Okay, but hear me out. Shinchan would never share this. Like, never. Not even with his mom, not even with Nene, not even with Masao, not even with Matsuka madam. But guess who has it now? मुझे मिल गया. The OG choco chip snack that Shinchan would risk his entire kindergarten for. And that's not it. My best friend showed up with few more core Japanese snacks. And we have matcha pocky. थोड़ा packaging वो हो गया because he came from Japan. He got it from me in Goa, and then from Goa I got it to Bombay. So थोड़ा packaging थोड़ा excuse कर दो. But we have matcha pocky, 2 matcha Kit Kat pieces. We also have caramel Kit Kat and cranberry Kit Kat. I don't have the packet of cranberry Kit Kat, but I do have it. I can prove that to you. What happened to this was my sweetheart naive mother. When I kept it in the fridge, she thought इतना पैकेजिंग वेस्ट क्यों करना है. मम्मा ने सारे पीसेस निकाल के किटकैट के उस पैकेट में से she put it all in Theobroma के cookie jar में, and then she kept it in the fridge. So everything is in here now, and I'll prove it to you that I have 2 flavors of KitKat because see, the golden one is caramel, and then there's the pink one. This is so funny that I have to prove it to you, but the proof is also so funny and very cute. And the pink one is the cranberry. I have sugar-free melon gummies as well. This was very thoughtful. I do not like mint. Like mint triggers me. मैं खोल चुकी हूँ पहले, but this is like not separate packaged chewing gum. It's like a small packet of chewing gums, and then इसके अंदर हैं सारी ऐसी, which is so cute. Like just open, pop, and then let's start with the caramel Kit Kat. That's how the caramel Kit Kat looks. I don't know should I do this. If you eat Kit Kat like this, you're a bad person. The right way of eating a Kit Kat is eat the top layer of it first. Like that. Then you get a taste of the OG flavor, which is caramel right now. And it's so good. I'm not a fan of caramel usually, but this is a perfect balance. So good. Too good. A solid 7 on 10. This is what the strawberry Kit Kat looks like. I feel like I'm eating a chewing gum. You know Happy Dent ka wave strawberry wala wave that comes? It tastes like that. It's a 3 on 10 honestly. I'm not a matcha person, but I'm also not a coffee person. If I want to drink something, I always drink matcha. So I am a matcha person. If that makes any sense. Please don't mind the background. I'm working on it. It will be all very better and nice very, very soon. Yep, very soon. Also, all that in the background are PR packages that I'm gonna unbox in my next YouTube video. So stay tuned. Matcha Kit Kat. ऐसा लग रहा है इसके अंदर wafer कम है, matcha ज़्यादा है, and I love that. Shut up. Stop. Oh my god. ऐसा लग रहा है I am eating matcha. Like I have frozen my matcha drink and now I'm eating it. If matcha had a kick like does for coffee people, coffee lovers, this could be it for matcha lovers. A 10 on 10. Now comes the point which you all have been looking forward to. Which I've been looking forward to actually. It has Shiro on it, Shinchan, and then, oh I forgot her name. Please tell me in the comments what's her name. Oh, I forgot. I asked ChatGPT about core Japanese snacks and I gave him a list, but he did not get those for me because guess why? Guess करो तुम लोग, guess कर ही नहीं सकते हो, पर guess करो जाके comments में, pause करो इस वीडियो को, guess in the comments, come back because now I'm going to tell you why he didn't get those for me. Because he's a Jain and all those snacks contains egg. He wouldn't put his money on non-veg or egg in any manner. Oh wait, I also told him that I'll pay you for them. It's my money. Please get it for me. He said no. I won't get it with me. I won't fly with it. I won't put it in my bag. Never mind. Choco chip pe focus karte. This is what it looks like. They're all star shape. Let's have it. You want me to hype it up? We already have it in India. We call it Chocos. We call it Chocos from Kellogg's. For the hype, it's 2 on 10. For the effort, it's 11 on 10. For getting it for me, it's a 15 on 10. It would taste a lot better with milk, definitely. But I don't drink milk. So with a heavy heart, we move on. And that is to Pocky, matcha Pocky. सारे packages खोलने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. You get some packet, you get some chips packet or like any picnic packet in India. ऐसे करते ही खुल जाते हैं. ऐसे मतलब ऐसे करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है. बहुत फटाफट खुल जाते हैं. Matcha Pocky. It looks like dandiya stick. You remember the sweet cigarettes we used to have in school? जिसमें यहाँ पे ऐसे orange बिंदी होती थी and then the rest of it would be white. And then you pop it at the end after your act that I'm smoking a cigarette. उसके बाद जैसे वो taste करता है ना, the stick is somewhat like that. It's giving me that feeling. It's giving me that feeling. And the matcha coating is extremely wild because it tastes a lot like matcha, solid 9 on 10. And I'm going to figure out a way to like steal it and keep it back because it's also lunchtime and there's dal pakwan for it. Sindhis in the comments, give me a chance. I'm gonna end this video with a refreshment, that is the melon chewing gum. This chewing gum has a very refreshing, icy taste to it, 10 on 10. It is very easy to carry also in my bag, in my mini purse. I can just fold it like that and then put it inside. I'm cutting the video here because I want these guys to also try the choco chips. I've got it here. 2 ही बचे थे. तो अभी हम यहाँ से निकल के खिलाएंगे इनको और इनका रिएक्शन भी लेंगे. उसके बाद ही लेंगे दिस वीडियो.
बहुत स्वीट है ना सारा?
नहीं इतना स्वीट नहीं है.
It tastes like after taste sweet एकदम, but it's nice.
No, but it's tasting like
Tastes थोड़ा सा किससे तो similar, I don't know. नहीं.
chocos. Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said in my video. Yum.
Yeah. Does it have sugar?
Alright, that's it for this video. I hope I could help you with this small haul to decide what do you not want to buy from your next Japan trip. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.